Hi guys, Lens here. In this video, I am actually going to tell you how you can wire your solar panels. You can do this in either parallel or series. I am going to explain actually, and I'm going to demonstrate as well. So parallel is when you connect all the positive wires together and when you connect all the negative wires together. So I am going to go ahead and show you what I mean. So for us to connect all the negative wires together and the positive wires, we will need some connectors for these. As you can see, one is for positive and one is for negative. So I am actually going to show you how we are going to do this, right? First, I am going to connect the positive first. Then I am going to connect the negative. You can actually see the negative sign here. And this is how we can connect the negative wires together and the positive wires together. So this wiring is actually parallel, which means we remain at 12 volts and the amps increase because this amp is 5 amps and that one is 5 amps. It's actually 5.85 amps maximum. Guys, if you look here, this one is from New Power, right, with the A, and we have maximum amps there, 5.89 amps, right? So as you can see, you connect the negative to the negative over here. So guys, the wires that will be going to our solar charge controller will be the negative and the positive. So this is how we can wire these panels in parallel, right? Bear in mind, when we wire the panels in parallel, we actually get more amps. So we get 12 volts, but we will definitely get around 10 amps when we wire it this way. So guys, I am going to show you how you can wire your panel in series. So we have two 12 volts panel here. When we wire this in series, the amps remain the same. The amps on these panels are actually 5 amps each, right? But the 5 amps will remain the same. And when we connect these two panels together, we will get 24 volts. This is actually in series. If we connect 4 panels together, we will get 48 volts. So I'm going to show you how to connect these two panels in series. And for us to do so, we need to connect the negative to the positive. So we don't necessarily need these for wiring in series depending on your setup. So I'm going to quickly show you. So you want to take the negative and you want to connect the positive. So as you can see there, this is how you can wire your panels in series. We connected the negative to the positive. This is actually the setup right here. We connected the negative to the positive and we have the negative and the positive line going to our charge controller. Right guys, so that's how you can actually wire your panels, and actually we will have 24 volts here and the amps remain the same. So we will definitely get 5 amps coming from these two panels. If we have 4 panels, we will get 48 volts and the amps will remain the same at 5 amps. So guys, I just want you guys to get an idea how to wire your panels in series and also in parallel. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful and I hope that you understand how to wire your panels in series and also parallel. It all depends on your application, what you will be using the panels for, and this way is very ideal. It actually saves you a lot from using these connectors to fuse the panels in parallel. This way is very ideal. It will, be more easy and for you to connect all the panels together. But to be honest, guys, I like the 12 volts. I like using the 12 volts, getting more amps. It doesn't really matter really, but again, guys, it's up to you, your application, depending on the type of electronic appliance you'll be using, the type of charge controller. Some controllers will charge 12 volts or 24 volts. Guys, again, it's up to you. Some will charge 48 volts. So it all depends on your application, and I hope that this video was helpful. So do like, share, and subscribe.